Namaste. From Kitsugi Yoga Studio Delhi, we are happy to be the part of Shashakta Wellness Carnival. Today, I'll show you 5 tips and tricks so that you can get a sound and a rejuvenating sleep. As you know, these days, due to pandemic situation, coronavirus situation, our mental health and our body health are getting a bit of a toll. So, sleep is the best way to heal your body and your mind so that you can further relax and calm your mind and relax your body. In this video, I'll show you 5 tips and tricks so that you can get a sound and a rejuvenating sleep. Point number 1, eat at least 2 to 4 hours before sleep. Now, you will say, I'll come late, I'll sleep right after eating. What happens on your body when you eat and sleep right after it? There are two major system going at that point. First one is the digestion of the food. Second is the relaxation of the body. For the digestion, we need to be active. Our system need to be active. For the relaxation, our system need to be calm. With these two processes, these major processes get hindered because you sleep right after eating the food. So it's better to create a gap between your sleep and your food. So at least 2 to 4 hours gap so that your system get cleaned, your digestion, the major part of the digestion gets completed, then you can sleep. Point number 2 is taking a cold shower. Now you all must have been thinking how to take a cold shower. It's too cold. If it's too cold, take a shower with a lukewarm water. If that's not possible, better to wash your feet, your hands, your neck area and your face before sleeping. See, it's a very subtle way of purification because 70% of the body is water. So it's not just about cleaning the skin only, it's about the purification of the whole body. You will sleep a bit late than the normal, but you will sleep better. Point number 3, you light an organic oil lamp using a cotton wick. You can use any oil, ghee, mustard oil, rice bran oil, olive oil. Just simply light a small oil lamp in your room before sleep. What will this do? This will create a subtle warmth and the calmness in the environment, which it emits a yellow light, which further relaxes our body, relaxes our mind. Adding to this point, stop using your phone before sleep. Now you'll all see, how do I check my message or how do I check my mail? Just idea is to get yourself away from the blue light emission. What you have to do in the today's modern mobile phones, there's a feature known as night mode. So when you turn on the night mode, there's a yellow tint come on your screen which totally emits the blue light. Actually, the problem with the blue light is it activates our brain activity, which keeps us active and keeps us charged, but that will hinder us in the sleep. So it's better to on night mode on your phone and simple oil lamp in your room to get a very good sleep. Point number 4, give a very gentle massage to the soles of the feet. The biggest pores on our total skin is on the sole of the feet. So simply take some oil, massage the sole of the feet very gently. It will get absorbed easily on your feet because of the large pores, and it will further calm your body and your mind because there are nerve endings which will further relaxes and the oil help them to relax. If you are thinking that will strain my bedsheet or my blanket, after simple gentle massaging, you can wipe it with a cotton cloth. After wiping it, you can then go to sleep. Last part is the practice before sleep. What you have to do is 2 points. Point number 1 is to do Bhramari Pranayama right before the sleep. You have to do Bhramari Pranayama 5 times. How to do the Bhramari Pranayama? Bhramari Pranayama means the sound of the hummingbird, which is What you have to do is properly insert your index finger on your ears, take a deep inhale and chant the last part of Om, which is You have to do it 5 times. Right after doing the Brahmari Pranayama 5 times, just simply lay on your back, cover yourself with a blanket or anything. After that, just simply lay on your back with the palms out, with the feet comfortably wide. Just scan your body from toe to head and head to toe. If there is any muscular tension, just simply shake that part and let that part get relaxed. Now, next point. First one is the Brahmari Pranayama, which we have done before the sleep. Next part is reverse counting of your breath. What you have to do for the reverse counting of your breath while laying on your back, simply relaxing after the Brahmari Pranayama. Take a deep inhale. With the exhale, say 100. With the inhale, with the exhale, say 99. Inhale, exhale, say 98. Exhale, 97. What you have to do is to go from 100 to 0. While inhale, just think your body is getting calmer. With the exhale, your mind is getting relaxed. Just keep the counting going on from 100 to 0. You will see, you will sleep before getting to the 0. So start from the 100 and try to go to 0. If you miss the count in between, then just further continue the process. You will sleep like a baby. Now, these are the 5 points you can follow. Thank you for watching and staying with us throughout. I hope you will practice every day. If you miss this, that's okay, but at least try to follow these points regularly for 40 days to get this as you become your habit, and it will finally become your lifestyle. Please practice. If you have any further queries, we will happy to help. Please mail us at kitsugiyogastudio@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 98717 90565. Thank you.